In this video, we're going to learn about the main Webflow dashboard, which is what you're going to see right after you signed up to your Webflow account. Now, at this point, you're going to see the websites which you have, which if it's the very first time that you create an account, you're not going to see the websites, but only the call to action to add a new site. Now, you can add a new site by simply clicking on a new site right over here, and you can create new folders. So if you have multiple clients and you're juggling websites for different clients, you can create folders in order to keep everything organized into subcategories. Now you can also organize the list, which you can see over here in data created, alphabetical order, or last modified. So that's going to be helpful as well if you have many sites, as well as the site search. So as you can see, that is going to isolate specific websites. Now on the left, you're going to notice that we have this workspace section, and workspaces are useful because you can either create a specific workspace for a client and then invite them to that workspace so that they are not going to see all of your site's portfolio or have access to it. And this can also be helpful if you are inviting team members in order to collaborate, and you can create and manage the workspaces. Now we're going to talk about the details about sharing and the permission levels in future videos, but I want you to keep in mind this concept as we are working through the tutorials. Now the very next section is going to be the actual Webflow tutorials, which are going to help you with specific tips and tricks, as well as courses offered by Webflow. And in the settings screen, you're going to see that you can rename your workspace. You can add a image which needs to be 256 by 256 pixels, and you can also check yes, if you want to display this workspace after logging in, or if that's not what you want, you can simply untoggle this. And of course, the archive workspace in case you don't need this workspace anymore. You're also going to see over here the themes, the plans, buildings, apps and integrations, and templates and libraries, which are all going to be settings which we're going to explore in future videos, specifically when it comes to the website dynamics. So for this video, this is it, and we're going to continue by creating our very first site.